There is one pilgrimage center, mobile pilgrimage center. Each human being, each life is carrying God within. When this pilgrimage center, internal pilgrimage center, Thakur says, Hridhi Brindavane. When do you find this Brindavana in your heart? Yes, tell. When do you find? Simple. You have to fill yourself with divinity. You have to fill your mind with divinity. Fill your body with divinity. Fill your senses with divinity. Everything must be filled with divinity. Leave the body, mind to the nature as it is. Let the nature take care of whatever is. But fill it with divinity. Your consciousness is filled with divinity. All aspects of life are filled with divinity. So your existence, when it is filled with divinity, it will see the divine alone everywhere. It will see the divine everywhere. And inner and outer dissolves. Inner and outer dissolves. Because he is internally fully has become divine. Outside also he is able to see only divine. Nothing. Because his senses are, which are perceiving are divine. It sees divine only. Mind conceives divine only. So when he is seeing divine everywhere, everything is a Leela. And then he wants to see any particular Leela of Krishna or Rama or anything, the moment he sits for meditation, he is with the Leela. Leela is going on. He enters into that Leela. Leela is eternal. It is not time bound. Divine Leelas are eternal. See, when the whole creation dissolves, the last phase of the creation remains as Jnana in the Icha Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Jnana Shakti. It becomes the energy, and in the Jnana Shakti it remains stored. Everything because matter becomes energy and dissolves. Kriya Shakti dissolves. Icha Shakti dissolves. Jnana Shakti, Sharada alone will remain. Everything, nothing exists except Parabrahman, the ocean of bliss. In that Sharada alone is awake. Jnana. As knowledge. It has knowledge, active knowledge, it remains in the knowledge, it is, in the consciousness. This knowledge at a particular moment triggers the starting creation, because time and space is not there. It triggers. Jnana, because it is in the Jnana, and Kriya Shakti awakens. And the Srishti begins. So that in that process, all knowledge is stored. This knowledge is carried same. Whole process of creation is there in that knowledge. How the creation is going to take place. Every bit, what was each jiva's karma, everything, how he will come, what was his shape, color, height, everything is recorded as it is. The creation is going to come as it is. The process also is same process. So all this knowledge is stored of the previous cycles. Millions and millions cycles are over. All this is there as it is stored. Anybody wants to open and see any Srishti, 10 million cycles before, it is there in the record. But it is all in the storehouse where we don't have the key. Rishi-munis who had the key could see how the creation comes. What happens after the dissolution? They could see how the creation again comes. Everything from the knowledge they could know. But the Leela of the Lord in each cycle remains in the active on the screen itself. You need not search. Open the screen, the Leela will be there. In your laptop, you have on the screen and home screen and something will wallpaper, and what is stored inside is different. A particular files will be there. From file you can take out if you know the file. If you don't know the file, you cannot take out.
It will be on desktop only.
On desktop itself. Then this, the moment it downloads, you are there in the Leela. You are participating in the Leela. This is what Vyasa sees and writes the Puranas. Every Purana, what happened? The whole thing, he participates in the Leela. And this is the Hridi Vrindavan. You can download any time and enter, provided you are through and through divine. Except divine, nothing is there in you. Like Thakur's body, Swamiji's body. Open anywhere and see, it is divine. Swami, the first thing, the transform, if you fill your mind, body, senses, everything with divine, first thing, you are Swami Vivekananda, you are Sri Ramakrishna, you are Hanuman. Hanuman's personality, nothing is there except divinity. The moment you are divine, filled with divine, you will have that identity of the great ones. Same identity you will have. So, then you can enter any Leela you want. Hridi Vrindavane. This is a pilgrimage center. What pilgrimage center? What for we are going to pilgrimage center? To get a little love of God, cultivate a little love of God. You are entering into the relationship with God. The thing is how to transform our existence into divine, manifestation of divine. Yes. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.